Hey, it's the Mighties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It does help me out. Don't forget to comment, like, and share this video. Unboxing Adore Me products. Now I am super excited. Adore Me and I have partnered up and I couldn't be any happier. They got here just in time for the holidays. Super mood boost, I'm not gonna lie. Adore Me has you covered, has me covered, has you covered. Let's get right into it. I didn't show my information, but I got this huge package in the mail and I have been waiting to do this. So here we go. Open this up. So happy. Yay me. Alright, so I already see something that I totally love, and it is this Sherry outfit. This is what it looks like out the package. Amazingly cute with all the little flowers. Let's take it open. I can't wait to try this on, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at how cute this is. Oh, I dropped a little set of it. And it's like a little cardigan type of thing, or like a cover-up shawl. I love how it's super bright, but yet not too much, you know, just enough with the little flowers. Super navy blue in the mix of royal and navy blue, with the cute little flowers. Amazing, you guys. This is super cute, and it does come with a little band to wrap yourself up in. Make it a little tight, you know, snatch the waist. That's not the waist, but you feel me, you snatch the waist with this and this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try this on. All right, on to the next. I can already see what this is. This is definitely one of those super sexy, confident boosters. You know what I mean? And this one is called the, I don't have my phone here. Handy dandy phone. This is called the Verana Unlined. So I did get the Verana Unlined. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Hecka cute, guys. It comes with a little waistband to feel a little bit snatched. The underwear is super cute. It has a lot of details, a lot of little sexy cuts. And yeah, so now we have the Veronica Set. OMG, another cute for the win piece. Oh, it's 2 pieces. I thought it was 1 piece, but I love it just as much. And you guys know I freaking love leopard print. Leopard print everything, guys. Mood all day. Hella cute. Pink. Can never go wrong with a little touch of pink in your little lingerie. And look at these cute ass shorts. I love how they have these little lace. Come on. You can't go wrong with the lace at all. And leopard print. Super. Just cute. That's all I'm going to say. Just hella cute. Can't wait to try this on as well. I will mention I got 10 pieces, guys. Adore Me sent me 10 pieces. So I picked the best 10 pieces that I could come up with. Everything was so cute, so it was a little bit hard to pick all the items, but I got down to these. And like I mentioned, just in time for the holidays. Get you some Adore Me. All right, now this piece is the Desiree, I believe. And it's just like a kimono type of thing. Again, when you want to just kind of wrap it up, look cute still, but just, you know, be comfortable. The Desiree. Hella cute. And again, come on, little lace detail. You can't go wrong with the lace detail, guys. Hella cute. And I mostly got everything in a size medium. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't too tight fitting or too loose. so I went in between. All right, so then we have, I believe this is the Lilith piece. So we have the Lilith piece. Oh my gosh, you guys. And it does come with a thong G-string type of piece here. How cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. The bow detail in the front is so sweet. It's such a darling piece. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to wear this to sleep. And it also has a bow detail in the back. I love this mauve color. It is so feminine, like, you know, just so cute, angelic, like all the vibes. Mood booster for sure. And I love how it doesn't feel like it's gonna rip right away. Like, this is quality here. I honestly don't remember picking these. Oh my gosh. Comfortable big panties. Yeah, heck of cute. I don't know if this goes with anything like that I picked, but cute panties. Then we have this cheetah print set that I just love. This is called the Brea Plus. So I did order it in a plus size just to be super comfy, but it's 0X, so I am excited for this one. I love comfy pieces. If you know, you know. When you just know. They ask me what you know, and it's just when you just know, you know? But OMG. And it's a long sleeve. Again, with the fabric, guys, it is so soft. It's not gonna tear. The quality on this is amazing. I love the stretch in it too. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be super comfy in this. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Adore Me. I love you guys. Just had to treat myself, you know. Right. This, I believe, is the Rain Plus. Rain Plus. Hecka cute. Lacy. I noticed that I went with a lot of lace. But it's the cutest thing. You have to have lace. Come on. Okay. So this next piece is Lingerie Unlined. Something basic but not basic. Super black. You can't go wrong with something black, you guys. All black. I'm having a hard time. Oh, there we go. Like, how do I describe this? It has kind of like a one-piece type of vibe, like bathing suit vibe, like a one-piece bottom, but the top is see-through, and then it's like a little skirt piece here. I think this is super delicate. Adore Me, you guys are freaking the bomb. This is hella cute, and again, it doesn't feel like I could snag and tear this at all. The quality is amazing, guys. I love it. I can't wait to try this on as well. I can't wait to try the whole thing, like the whole package. What am I saying? I can't wait to try the whole package. It's freaking awesome. All right. Okay. So this actually came with the underwear that I showed you guys that was strappy. I'm gonna show you guys again. But this is the whole set with that. It's the top piece. Again, with all these cute cuts. Super sexy, super stylish. Thank you. Axel Contour. Sexy pieces. They're all sexy. You can't go wrong with any of these. This though is just high-key how look cute. This corset piece here. And it comes with the panty. I didn't even check. I just saw the corset and was like, I need it. I need it. I need it. I don't care. So this is what it looks like. Super fun. Super sexy. And this is what the back looks like. Oh, you guys. I'm in love. Come on. Then it comes with this. And last but not least, my Lulu Set. Something super comfy. adorable and fun in color. You guys know I love comfy vibes, and this is so me right here. Some sweatpants, throw on the sweatpants, super comfy. And you guys know I love the color green, and if you didn't know, well, now you know I love the color green. It reminds me of course, Earth, number one, but then it just reminds me of peace. Super peace. Do I need to say more? This is just beautiful, super comfy. Oh, I love it. I love it. That was it. Dormy is not going to fail you. They're going to get you right and make you feel super sexy, super comfy. Whatever vibes you're going for, get that mood boost. Get yourself, treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. Okay, guys? Listen. I will be linking their welcome offer in the description. Make sure you click it for your first set, and it's only $24. Go now. I love this combination. I was able to pair up the kind of like kimono type thing or wrap with the two-piece that I got. I'm not even gonna lie, this feels so expensive, so good, and fresh. Like, it's so breathable. I love breathable wear. Anything that you can breathe in, it's fine with me. But yeah, this is the cute set that I got. I like to cover up, you know, not show too much, but it's just really cute. Like, yes, keep slaying. Keep slaying, yes. Hecka cute. I love it. So yeah, super comfy. Feels expensive, feels good on the skin. It's not too tight. Feels really cute, very lacy. I love the lace details and the strappy details on this. It's too cute. Love, love, love. I love this piece. This is one of my favorite pieces. I actually got to wear this on Valentine's Day. Super cute, super, you know, just dreamy, to be honest. Breathable material, warm, cozy vibes. I love cheetah prints, so all of these prints are giving me those darling vibes. And yeah, cute, 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 cute. I love cheetah print. I know I mentioned that in the video. I freaking love cheetah print. So this is just so cute, so intimate, very girly pink. It fits perfect around the waist. And it's just like super cute. Like, come on. Like, you know, super cute. Super cute and super comfortable. This one feels like it's just a dreamy night, you know, where you just want to like feel sexy but still have something to cover up. This is perfect. Like, it's 2-in-1, sexy and a cover up. It's so beautiful. It feels so good and so comfy. Super, super cozy vibes. And like I said, it just is a dreamy piece. Like, you cannot go wrong with this. Again, breathable material. Feels nice on your skin. It's not going to keep moving or go anywhere while you sleep. It's not going to make you feel uncomfortable like you got a bulge. I know sometimes we worry about like the strappy things, those strappy details and whatnot, but none of that. The lace feels perfect around my legs. And I just love this. This is just, like I said, darling and dreamy. That's how we got it. 2 Ds. Darling and dreaming piece. You guys, I really love this piece. Like, I love the first piece. That's my favorite piece. This is my second favorite, but I feel like they're both on the same. This is just adorable, cute cover up. The other one's real sexy, adorable as well. I just love how both of them are super breathable. Like, you could breathe in this material. You're not gonna, you know, sleep with a whole bunch of bulge like this. You can't even feel it. It just is perfect around the waistline. And yeah, like, come on, you cannot go wrong with this. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please check out Adore Me. Like I mentioned before, they're not going to fail you. Their stuff is beautiful, cute, breathable, hella sexy. So make sure that you check them out. And don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye!